The southernmost tip of our Indian nation, Kanyakumari, not only surrounded by the three seas, the pinnacle of pride of Tri-Sea town is resplendent with a shine by the life of native legends and freedom fighters. One such legend who was born in 1950 in Agasthiswaram, an adjoining village in Kanyakumari, and just lived there for the people at large, is none other than Mr. H. Vasantakumar. Belonging to a traditional Congress family and freedom fighters, even in his childhood days, inspired by the great patriot and statesman Sri K. Kamaraj, he portrayed his loyalty to Indian National Congress and grew from party cadre. The fire within him gave birth through his sheer hard work, perseverance, toil and moil, a very large retail business empire under the name and style Vasant & Co. in 1978. Now standing tall with a top line of more than 1,000 crores, feeding 1,000 plus families in South India. This did not deter him from rendering his contribution towards the development of his idealistic Indian National Congress Party. Ignoring his multidimensional identities, his speed and deed in public service to humanity, especially the poor and the needy, is par excellence. School children, destitutes, farming community were his permanent agenda despite his busy schedule. Whether as a member of parliament or a member of a legislative assembly, Mr. Vasantakumar's personal exchequer to poor children's education, the basic facilities of rural schools, who all saw him as a true disciple of a great Kamaraj. His charity was not confined to Tamil Nadu alone. Be it tsunami or Kargil or floods and landslides anywhere in India, Mr. Vasantakumar was there to offer direct financial contribution to the states or the national relief funds. Many schemes like irrigation facilities for farming, desilting water bodies, provision of agricultural equipments like excavators from his own finance is another jewel in the crown. He enthusiastically conducted Mupperum Vizha and Ratha Yatra of Indian National Congress, aroused a new emotional party connect, confidently empowering the Congress cadres, especially the youth, kindling a new vigor and valor. He also launched a satellite TV channel under the name and style Vasant TV, and the contribution of the Congress Party to the nation is taken to every household. When the pandemic struck, he camped in Kanyakumari constituency, unmindful of the risks involved. He served the people personally by organizing the supply of masks, medicines, sanitizers, food, and distributing the same wherever required till his last breath. Fighting the pandemic for the people, he fell a prey to the invisible monster. Today and forever, he lives eternally, while we mourn on his first death anniversary.